I've just discovered something quite nice called live binders, and I'm going to show you now how you can get your own online binder or portfolio where you can store images and text and websites and very much more. The first thing you need to do, of course, is to, as always, is to sign up. And whilst I do this, I'll just pause so that you don't have to watch the tedious detail. Okay, well, I've added my details and I've ticked these two boxes because it's nice to know when people have looked at or commented on your work. So I'm over 13, just about, and I click sign up. Okay, I've got an error here, just one moment. I have a space in my username, so let's just get rid of that and do that and see what happens. Hopefully this is going to work, and there we are. As the name suggests, a binder is just really like a folder where you store stuff. And what do you do with your folders when you've got several? You put them on a shelf. So you can actually, there's a lot of powerful organizational tools here where you can start shelves with different binders in. And that's quite a nice feature. They've given me one here to play about with. But I'm going to go straight to start a blank binder. And we'll just see what happens. Okay, let's put a binder name in here. Whoops. And we'll put in there Jay's binder 1. I hope I can have some spaces there. And a description. It's cool. We wouldn't actually use that. I won't bother with the tags at the moment. Is it personal or is it educational? Let's say business for now. I want everyone to be able to see it. We can talk about privacy options later. We'll also enable this use Google search to fill a binder. I'll try and explain that if I have time later. Okay, create a new binder. And hopefully this will work. Good, well there we are. And we've got Jay's binder number 1. I'd give it a much more effective name than that, so that I would actually know something about the contents of the binder. It's a bit of a silly name, really. The first thing I'm going to do now is go to this edit menu. Just before I do that, you can see I've got various tabs here, and I can have tabs and sub-tabs, so it's a bit like a website in a sense. So let me show you the edit menu. Okay, well there we are. And what you can do with this, you can upload to a tab a file, more or less any kind of file from your own computer. You can add new tabs, or just have a look here, you can add something called a sub-tab. So I'll just click that and show you what happens. So I've now got tab number 1 with a new sub-tab underneath, which I'll call something like pictures. And save. Other things on the edit menu here, we can insert media. We can put YouTube videos in there. We can put in images from Flickr. But this is an important tool. This is called text layout. And what it means when I click that is that I can decide what this page will look like. So I could just have media, which might be a website or a big picture. It might, with a title. I can have text on the left and media on the right, or vice versa. I can have mainly the media and a little bit of text with a title. So let's just click that, see what happens. And now you can see that I've got a room for a title, some text here, and this might be a video or a photograph, or it might be more text, or it might be a website. So I'll just save that for now. Now, I only have a little bit of time left with this, so I'm just going to go to the, click on the title, and you can see that I can actually change the font because I really hate Times New Roman. So we'll call this Jay's Photo Gallery, if you like, and I better put a capital J in there. Use up more of my, whoa, Jay's Photo Gallery. Do I have time before we record screener number 2? I think so, just about. And click save, and I'll come back and record the second part of this screener in a moment.